40% of core teachers are assigned to subjects they never studied. It's a classroom mismatch that leaves both sides struggling. This is the reality of core
Recent data
education
from the
across.
ADCOM 2 final report, titled Turning Point, reveals a systematic failure. Instead of expertise, many educators are forced into assignments by a lack of coordination. This misalignment is most severe in science, where the mismatch rate reaches staggering levels. For the teachers on the front lines, the burden is more than just academic, it's professional. One of the teachers from Lagro High School expressed their opinion about this matter.
Okay, regarding doon sa pagtuturo ng subject na hindi major, ako personally, I experienced teaching this subject which uh, I'm not into it. No? Like, hindi ako major in PE talaga or MAPE. At first, mahirap, no? Mahirap mag-adjust, mahirap magturo. Pero, syempre, aaralin mo yung mga lessons, no? You have to make double effort, no? Para maibigay yung best para sa mga mag-aaral. And then, after 1 year siguro, no? Nag-enroll na ako ng major in PE tsaka ng sports. And then, after finishing it, nag-enroll naman ako ng Masters in PE and PE and Sports.
This
So
mismatch
for
doesn't
me,
just add workload, it threatens lesson quality. While a 10-year roadmap is in place, teachers are currently left to bridge these massive learning gaps alone. Here's a student from Lagro High School sharing their thoughts about this issue.
It doesn't really bother me that much because teachers are expected to know and learn the subject that they are teaching.
And this has been Martina Chan, your QC Voice.